Compal Electronics is developing high reliability, high bandwidth, and low latency 5G private networks. The company is collaborating with the most promising esports event, drone racing, to develop 5G private networks and related application technologies. The company offers a 5G private network total solution that provides smooth and high-quality low-latency streaming services and MR viewing experiences. During the development, we establish a 5G private network industry chain and next-generation 5G product independent research and development capabilities. The applications can be extended to smart manufacture and smart exhibition. In the future, it will continue to cooperate with industry partners to promote 5G solutions internationally.